Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and it's been a while, but it's time for another mail call video. And the first package we have this time is a little special, and it's from one Jim Cantor. He's the one that gets those infamous mom and pop penny boxes. And in the correspondence that we had in getting one of those for the channel, we worked out a trade, and we're going to check out what's inside this. I think I know, but thanks, Jim. Let's get this open, and I'll bring you back. And here it is. Jim and I worked out a trade for a 1970D 40% half dollar. And a while back, I debated whether or not I was going to crack open a mint set to get one of these in my books. And Jim reached out, and we worked out a trade, and I love this coin, Jim. This is a beautiful one. I will keep it forever. It's going in my collection. Thank you very much, Jim Cantor, for working out this trade with me. I love it, and it's a beauty. And my next package is a little bit of a mystery, but I'll tell you what's inside it. In this box is one of the 2020 V75 ASE proofs. And I'm not going to turn it over because it's got my mailing address on it, but I got it in the mail, and I'm hoping that by the time I can finish this video, I will get it back from PCGS. That's right, I'm going to send it out and get it slabbed. I'm going to go for the first strike and for the V75 card designation that you can get with it. So I'm going all out with this, and I'm hoping I'm getting MS70 with it as well. So I'm not going to open this because to get the first strike, you can't open into the package that it comes in. But I'm really excited to send this out. It's my first PCGS submission. I've done a lot of research on how to do this, and I'm hoping that I get it back. PCGS MS70 first strike V75 2020 ASE. We'll take a look at it when I get it back. Hopefully all that works out. Our next package is from a subscriber. I want to thank Matthew Dreher, and I hope I'm saying your last name right, for sending me this package. I've already opened it, and I know what's inside it, and he very generously donated to the channel 3 rolls of quarters. Hopefully we can hunt these for the Land Stewardship W's, and a 1-ounce silver bar. Very nice. And actually, he also donated a box of nickels and a box of pennies, and I've probably already done the live streams, and if you haven't checked them out already, check them out up here. Also included a note, Enigma, you decide how to use the 1-ounce generic bar, live stream giveaway, or 750 subscriber giveaway, or whatever. You decide. I forgot to write a note earlier. Sorry, I used part of an envelope. LOL. Work is crazy. So taking a lunch break to get you to get to the post office and back today, and bank today. Anyway, enjoy, and can't wait to watch you open the boxes. Matthew and Keegan. Thank you very much. Like I said, I already know what I'm going to do with these, and we've probably already done it before you've got to see this mail call video, but I still wanted to include it. Check out their channel. I'll include links below for all that. Thank you, Matthew and Keegan. Our next item on this mail call video is a very generous package from Boston Baked Beans. Boston, thank you very much. You did not have to do this, and I've already peeked at it, but first of all, Boston has sent me a few coins from my own collection, ones that I didn't have, ones that I'm going to add to my collection. First of all, I don't have either of the 87 NIFC half dollars, but I do now. A P and a D 1987. Wow. Boston Baked Beans, thank you very much. Along with a 1951 silver dime, and 2 beautiful looking cents, a 1969D and a 1960D. If I can hang on to them. These are stunners. Definitely keepers. Boston Baked Beans, that alone is an awesome package. But that's not it. And you've probably already seen these because I'm filming the mail calls as I go. And you can hear that sound. You know what sound that is. That's the sound of silver. 3 giveaways, and look what Boston Baked Beans has sent us. 3 Benjis. 3 Kennedys. 64s, which you know what that means, and 3 Walking Liberties to be used as giveaways. Looks like they're all the same year. Looks like the Walkers are 45s, the Kennedys are obviously 64s, and the Benjis are 59s. Yes. P and a D and a D. Yeah, they're beautiful coins. And here's the note that Boston Baked Beans included in his package. It blows my mind that the generosity of the coin community is just at this level. Boston Baked Beans, thank you so very, very much for your generosity, for your donation to the channel. These are going to hold a spot in my collection forever. They're either going to be spot fillers or they're going to be upgrades for absolutely sure. And I take notes when I do that from donations so that I know when I see a coin, I go, that's from Boston Baked Beans. I don't ever want to forget that. On top of your very generous donation to use for giveaways in the stream, which we've probably either started or are finishing up on. So thank you very, very much, Boston Baked Beans. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Our next package comes from US Silver Stacker, who reached out to me and we worked out a trade for a few silver dimes. I traded some of my Merc dimes for some of his Roosevelt dimes to upgrade the ones in my album. I think there's, yep, one more. I already opened it. Just confirmed that that's what it was. So here they are, the 5 Roosevelt dimes that I traded for Merc dimes that I had duplicates of. So these are going to fill spots in my album. I appreciate it. Thank you, US Silver Stacker. Awesome trade. Pleasure doing business with you. And it'll be nice to have these holes plugged in my album. They are a 1954, a 1948, a 1947, 1960, and a 1961 that will all fill holes in my silver dime album. Thank you very much, US Silver Stacker. And our final package for this mail call video is one of the first ones that we started out with, and that is the 2020 West Point Proof V75 American Silver Eagle. It only took 22 days for it to be shipped from PCGS on the West Coast to me on the East Coast. Now, it was over the holiday season. They mailed it out at the beginning of December, and I just got it in January. So this package has been a long time coming. I have not checked the grade on it, and this is the first coin that I've ever sent to PCGS. So I'm really, really excited and anxious to open this. I had the tracking information loaded on my phone, so I didn't check the PCGS app or anything because I know that you can see the grades if you do that. So I didn't open it once I got the tracking confirmation. And I'm super excited. I'm going to open this box. It's not open right now, but I'm going to open it so I can take out my personal billing documents for privacy reasons, and I'll bring you back when I've got the PCGS case. We'll see what color we got. All right, here's the case. We got an all-black version. I saw some people getting a half black, half blue. So we got an all-black matching, which is nice. This is my first ever case, and I'm really excited. I'm really anxious. I was hoping to have this in time for Christmas, but I don't think, well, it's not the case. It's after New Year's, in fact. So I'm going to try to take a peek in here and see if there's any documents that I don't want to reveal. I see the coin. I'm going to take this off camera just to pull out the invoice and paperwork so I don't reveal it. And I see the coin, and I am going to turn it around this way. And I believe, yes, all right, so I've got some personal information over here too. So I am just going to pull this open if I can get it. And is this the, nope. Okay, so we've got the case that it came in. And I really don't want to see the grade before you people see it. I think it's this way. Yes, yes it is. Awesome. Oh man, look at that coin. Wow. That is a beautiful coin. I got the V75 version of the label. All right, moment of truth. It's been a long time. I think almost over 2 months since I've sent this out. Here we go. Did we get the 70? PR70, come on. Yes! PCGS PR70DCAM Silver Eagle V75 Privy First Strike. That is too cool. Oh, that is a beautiful looking coin. Oh, look at that coin. That it's art. It's a work of art. I am so thrilled, so happy that I got the 70. Wow. All right, let me take a moment to look at this off camera and just enjoy it, and I'll bring you back. I've got to say, PCGS did a great job sending everything that came in the box. I was a little worried that I wasn't going to get the container and the capsule and the card that came with it, but they sent everything back, and it's just really nice to see that that level of detail being taken care of, that level of care, because they sent it all back, and that's really cool. Here's the card that comes with it if you want to take a look at that, and you can pause it and read it as appropriately. Really nice documentation, nice box, and this is just, I am taken aback. I feel very lucky and fortunate that I was able to get one of these. It's a privilege to have gotten one of these, and I really appreciate, I just really appreciate the coin. I have thought about maybe putting it up for sale or selling it to a different collector, but the main reason is because, you know, it's a beautiful coin and I really do love it. But when it comes down to it, it's just one really special coin, and I would rather take the investment that I have on this and maybe turn a little bit of a profit and use it to invest in the channel, because at the end of the day, it's really nice, but it's just one coin, and I would much rather be able to get some more things for the channel, potentially start doing some boxes where people can buy rolls, and that's going to take a while to build up my inventory, and this is a lot of money to tie up in one coin. But if I can make the channel grow and make it a better experience for you all, I kind of would rather do that. But man, that's what I was thinking before I saw this, and now that I have it in hand, it's kind of tempting to just keep it. What do you guys think I should do? Should I hold on to this? Should I sell it? Kind of looking for some input. What do you think should happen to this 2020 PR70DCAM Silver Eagle V75 First Strike? Let me know in the comments below. I'm now kind of torn 50-50 at this point, but it's a beautiful coin. Let me know what you think, and I'm not going to make a decision on it anytime soon, but that's just really cool. Well, I just looked, and it's been over 2 months since I started filming this mail call, so I think it's about time for me to wrap it up. I do have some other packages coming my way, so we'll start the next mail call video as soon as I get those packages in. And I hope you enjoyed the mail call. It's something I really enjoy doing, and I really appreciate everyone who sent something in for this mail call video. Thank you very, very much. See you on the next one, and remember, it's always a mystery until you crack the rolls, or in this case, you let PCGS crack the roll and see what you got inside. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.